Hey guys, what is up? Today is Monday and Dacia's here with me.
Hi guys.
Today we're gonna go down to the city to get some b-roll footage for this vlog that you're watching. So come with us as we go down to Atlanta and explore. We're not gonna be in contact with anybody, so don't worry about that. It's just literally just gonna be us in like a deserted area, probably in a car, getting some smooth footage and calling it a day. Alright, so if you're in Atlanta, there's like several Kill Me Crazies. We love it. There's not really anywhere I live in Georgia, but it's more in a downtown-y kind of area. And so we're gonna go get avocado toast. What is it? The smoked salmon avocado toast. What is it? I can't remember. So we're gonna go down here. Is so cute though.
Oh, Toco Hill.
Nobody's really out here right now. Like it's literally just
It's called literally Toco Hill.
So we can get some b-roll over here.
Yeah.
That'd be cute. Gonna make a mad dash for it and come back and eat in the car. Maybe like 3 people sitting outside. Dacia is so addicted that she's gonna go order boba right now. I never had boba before. I don't think I want to try today. How is she gonna drink? Let's see, let's see. That's how the airports do it. Come on, Dacia, give us a demonstration. Let all the air in. Coronavirus. Juice me. Oh, damn!
That was a lot.
Oh, I'm so hungry.
Get you some glossier lip gloss. It's the best.
So, smoked salmon on Ezekiel bread with some radishes, red onions. So good. I love this. It's really, 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 really good. So I got a couple of orders from my boutique today. I'm going to go drop it off at the post office now. So let me go put my mask on.
Wow. It smells like applesauce.
Everyone is jogging in Georgia. Hey guys, so my package came. So I ordered this thing like, I want to say either beginning of April or end of March, and it just came. Like it was out of stock. These glasses are usually out of stock. Finally got my hands on a pair. My hands are so swollen, so ignore if it looks fat and shrimpy, as it usually does. But yeah, I got these wine glasses. They're so cute. They just look so modern. I know this blogger I follow, Green Eyes Gold Soul, she showed them, so I was like, oh my god, I have to get them. So they come in, they have the red wine glasses, which I got, are never in stock, and then they have the white wine glasses, which are usually in stock, and then they have the champagne glasses. So I bought 4. I think it was like a total of like $44 or something. I ended up buying 4 glasses. that came to like $44. I think they were on sale. They do go on sale very often, so excited. But since we're not drinking, I'm gonna actually put like water and cucumbers in this, and like water and like, I don't know, cute little mocktails until this little challenge thing is over. But it's so cute. Look how modern it is. Oh my god. Oh, anyways, I'm gonna get up off the floor because I got work to do and things to do. My hand is so swollen, so I've been wearing a cast on it. Haven't been answering any Instagram DM, trying to hold my phone. So today I think I overdid it with the editing. So today is Friday, okay? Friday afternoon. I know you're probably wondering like, what the hell are these things? I just did a ponytail video where I showed you guys how to do my ponytail and such, and then I had a lot of TikToks to record. So that's why I'm all glammed up, and then I went back in a robe. Yo guys, for the first time today in a long time, I actually put on jeans. I haven't put on jeans in so long that when I put it on today, I was just like, ugh, get this crap off. But I pretty much did like a series of like, you guys know I do have my own boutique. People do order from it, people do buy from it. I am so grateful for you guys if you have ordered from it. And so I decided to do a TikTok for it because I do have a lot of summer items that I didn't really put out last year because it ended up being too cold. I'll show you guys the TikTok. But anyway, so I was doing that today, and the last outfit that I paired this shirt with was with a pair of jeans. And because of quarantine, I have not been wearing jeans. I've been wearing sweats, panties, thongs, and shorts, okay? My hand feels way better. I can actually like move it. I didn't do the Chloe Ting challenge yesterday. Yesterday was supposed to be day 7. I didn't do day 7 because I just think my hand probably needed a break. Long story short, I'll give you guys a little background story. I've always had hand problems. I don't know where it came from. I don't know what it's about. I've been to every doctor you could possibly think of. I've had every test you could think of. They don't know what the hell it is, and it's not carpal tunnel. So it just comes and goes when it wants to come and go, the pain. And so the pain came, I guess, as I was doing the Chloe Ting challenge, because if you do the challenge, she literally has you doing plank, like a million planks, okay? Up and down planks, plank jumps, plank squats, whatever, plank. And I think my hand, it probably was too much pressure on my hand. I know it was probably the exercising and probably a lot of computer work. I've been taking medicine for the last 2 days to kind of like help myself. Back then when I used to go to the doctor more often, they used to prescribe me a high dosage of ibuprofen. Here in Georgia, when I tell them about my hand pain, they don't prescribe me nothing. They're like, just take Tylenol. And I'm like, that's not gonna work. I'm going to actually just make macaroons tonight. I think I'm in the mood for it, so might as well. Oh, and by the way, guys, I have been seeing hella results with this Chloe Ting challenge thing. All right, well, this has been fun. I'll see you guys during the next activity that I do. Hello, Seattle. So, girl, you pee on the pad. Anyways, literally just woke up. Oh my god. I had a cheat day yesterday, and I'm not proud of it because I had 2 scoops of ice cream. Oh, and I sprinkled a little bit of cheese on top of my taco. I feel so guilty. So today I'm gonna work out. Yesterday I went to Target and I bought these glasses. Now it's not really my style. I'm not gonna even lie. Not really my type of glass, but I needed glasses because I like to drink out of glasses. I hate drinking out of anything else. I was getting tired of drinking out of mugs. All my glasses done broke, not by me because I don't break my glasses, but everybody that came here and don't wash my dishes, including my sister, done broke my glasses. So I was like, you know what, we need new ones. And no, I still didn't make my macarons. So today we're making macarons. I made my dog some dog food yesterday, ground turkey, mixed it with the pebbles, her hard dog food. Boom. Could you stop following me everywhere? Clearly I woke up hella animated. I didn't really follow the meal plan this week because I felt like there was a lot of carbs in it, and I'm like, oh no, we don't want carbs, we don't want a stomach. So I kind of just been doing my own thing, like freestyling. Like I've been doing like eggs and spinach and shrimp and vegetables and protein. Like I've been kind of doing that. Girl, look at her little look at her little look at her little legs. Yo, this looks too funny. What are you eating? Oh my god! Don't worry, you're not in trouble. This part of my house hates me. So, some things that I got from Target. I went ahead and got this thing because, I mean, she doesn't really do much accidents because we're trying to get her trained to outside, but for the most part, you know, when she does decide to slip up and be lazy, we do have this. And then I was like, ooh, let's get both. Why not go all out and be extra? Google, turn off. And this, I mean, it was $10. $10 too much, Target. Oh my gosh, I feel like y'all add an extra $10 on everything, an extra $5 on everything. Yeah, I know, for this small thing, but it smells so good. So, will I be buying it again? Hell no. But for the most part, I wanted to try it for my bedroom and see what happened. I got some beef jerky for my pup. And I got some olive oil cooking spray. Wash your hands, guys. And I got these, you know, little tongs for the Lolo. Pretty strong. Look who's here. Deja! Did you dye your hair again?
I did. So what I did was I lifted the color because I was sick of it.
Oh God, what did Antonia say? What did your mom say? Because I know she probably was.
She didn't really know nothing. She was like, your hair looks fuller. I was like, yeah, okay. And I just added rose gold to it.
I mean, it's cute. I noticed that you did it brighter.
Yeah, it looks lighter,
Doesn't look bad.
It looks airbrushed.
Thing. My face looks
like,
airbrushed.
Like, if it looks airbrushed on camera, imagine it 10 times smoother in person.
I mean, it does look, it's so fun because I use the same products all the time. Maybe, I don't know. But, so Deja's here because, remember how I told you guys we were doing a video where she chooses my outfits? I pretty much gave her my debit card to go ham with, buy anything with. What the fuck? I pretty much gave her my debit card to do anything with, and so some of the outfits came today, well, this week, and I kind of want to do a different hairstyle for each outfit. I believe it's about 4 to 5 outfits, so I want to do a different hairstyle for each outfit, and that's why she is here, so we can film the first part. I just want her commentary so she can explain why she chose what she chose, and so forth and so forth. Only one of the outfits really came in, a few other pieces came, so we're still waiting for the rest, which gives me time to switch into a second hairstyle.